Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. It's been a busy week in the garden. Let's show you all about it. Here's a nice morning glory with the dianthus, and then the 10-foot volunteer sunflower. And then, of course, the garden as seeing it now. Did a lot of work in the garden. We took out all the peas. We're letting the sunshine come in. Did a bunch of transplanting. I took out all the beans and corn, most of it anyways, just because it wasn't looking very healthy, and make room for more, which I planted. Anyways, peppers are responding positively to all this action, and the cucumbers as well. Put some dill out in the front there. They're happy about that. And then, of course, I planted the eggplants, the melanzane. Oh, yes, look under here. The marigolds are happy, too. I pulled everything off the ground to make it, breathe. Because, jungle is, a mess. And then, of course, we can run through the flowers. See that zinnia, the dahlias, covering up the lavender, germantime, oxalis, coleus. Oh, yeah, took out the catnip. And yeah, the same in here. We took out all the lower branches so that we can plant the basil and some other things in there. And that's how it is in the garden today. I want to wish everybody a happy Independence Day and a good weekend ahead. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.